Hi everyone, let's talk about Aehr test system that primarily designs, engineers, manufactures and sells test and burn-in equipment for the use in the semiconductors industry in North America, Asia and also the Europe. Financial health, 6 out of the 6 future growth, 2 out of 6 revenues forecasted to grow 30%, even over 30% per year. Earnings have grown 20% per year over the past 5 years. This is actually 1 year return 723%, so they made a lot of in return. So let's look in September 24th 2020, price of one share were almost $1.50, and currently it's more than 11. So that's pretty huge. They almost, I guess, yeah, so currently it's even $15. So that's huge returns we're seeing, and market cap is 287 million. On the risk side, it's highly volatile share price because yeah, the volatility could be upside and also downside. It could also be very dramatically. For example, if we open the max frame, they had the peak back in 1997, then the stock price decreased within a year. So here's exactly 1 year, 83%. Since that it had been volatile, but currently look at this. For example, those who bought in March 2020, let's have a look. Yeah, almost 10x made this stock, so congratulations for the companies. Also, there's a significant insider selling over the past 3 months. Shareholders have been diluted. They printed, I guess, the shares out. Not so much, only 100,000, but still it's here that they dilute the shareholder equity. Anyway, all this is making, as I said, 1 year return 700%. The price volatility considered as almost the highest. Fundamentals showing that revenue is 16.6 million, earnings are minus 2 million, and market cap 287 million. Valuation side, tip ranks has the $12 per share, so that is meaning currently 23% downside. And also the market watch has pretty similar, so stock price target $12, and for the future growth is forecasted 31%. Earnings per share growth is forecasted as well as to grow. They had positive actual on the end of February 2020, but since that they did not so good on the earnings side. Past performance, we've seen that earnings have increased by 20%. That is from minus 2.5 million back in 2014 to minus 2 million currently May 2021. Company is currently unprofitable. Financial health side, I guess they do have a depth, but and also the cash that is covering the depth, so this is pretty good. Debt 3 million, cash 4.5, equity 11.5. Balance sheet looks mostly green. There's a red dot on the corner. They are not paying dividends. And insider transactions, yeah, there's individuals that have been selling. President, independent director, vice president of operations, vice president of finance, CFO, founder, chairman, independent director. Yeah, these are, by the way, the same. So, but anyway, this pretty odd. They sold at a price 5.7, so they could double their investment by just waiting 1 month or few months, I guess, from the July. Ownership breakdown: general public holding 66%, insiders 13, institutions 12, hedge funds less than 8, private company 0.1. Top shareholders: Vanguard increased just slightly. Here's the individuals that have been decreasing. There's only one. Somehow, looking at the screen, it increased, but do we say BlackRock is also here, decreasing 75%. Wow. Anyway, since this is already so high, and even insiders have been selling here around $5 per share since this going up. So just interesting. So for example, how much it should be, so there's a 200% upside, so they tripled their money and they have been selling, I guess. Anyway, the shares outstanding keep every year slightly increasing, basically past few years, and total sales are pretty volatile but increased 8% compared to previous year. Still, this is actually, I guess that it's actually accurate, forecasted the price target. Anyway, investing.com summing the stock for long-term investors as a strong buy. Moving average, strong buy. Technical indicators, same, strong buy. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the future one.